In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer in Xero. If you're managing your business or clients through Xero, knowing how to add a customer is an essential skill for maintaining streamlined and organized records. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can easily incorporate this task into your accounting processes. To begin, let's start with logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero website and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. From this point, we need to navigate to the Contacts menu. You'll find this option in the top menu bar. Click on Contacts and then proceed to select Customers from the drop-down list. This will direct you to a page where you can manage all your customer details. Next, let's add a new customer. On the customer list page, you'll see a button labeled plus new contact. Click on this button to start entering your new customer's information. This will open a new form where you will need to fill in the customer's details. It's important to ensure that all necessary fields are filled out accurately to maintain accurate records. The first field you'll see is for the customer's name. This field is required, so you'll need to ensure it's filled out. Following that, you can fill out additional information such as the email address, phone number, postal and physical address, as well as the website if applicable. These pieces of information will help you keep track of how to contact and interact with your customer. Additionally, you have the option to add financial details for this customer. While this step is optional, it can be quite beneficial for managing transactions efficiently. Here, you can set a default currency, default tax rate, and default account code, such as sales, to correspond with your business's accounting practices. You can also establish payment terms, like specifying payments due within 30 days. These settings are particularly useful if this is a frequent customer, allowing for smoother and more predictable transactions. Once all the details are entered, the final step is to save this new customer record. By clicking the Save button, you'll finalize and confirm the addition of this customer into your Xero account. With this customer now in your system, you'll be able to quickly select them when you're creating invoices, quotes, or credit notes. This access can significantly streamline your work process and ensure accuracy in your business dealings. Adding customers in Xero is a foundational task that supports effective client management. It helps maintain the accuracy of your records and facilitates your financial interactions. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless integration into your workflow. Thank you for watching,